In devastation so vast, the smallest things stand out. A toy car, a purple bandana, a mailbox still standing while everything else has burned. This desolate road of destruction is Postman Trevor Smith's daily route. For 8 years, he's picked up mail from a senior community called The Orchard. Today, he picks up their melted mailboxes.
It's scorched. It's first class. We will forward it on.
His white mail carrier out of place among the ruins, until you see some homes still standing and people like 97-year-old Nora Hennings waiting for him by their doors.
Did you evacuate or did you stay in your house?
No, I stayed.
Nora tells him she was by herself when the fire swept through. And as he continues, the thought of her alone haunts him.
She was left there when the fire was burning and people had evacuated. That's frightening. She couldn't escape.
In this community, the mail is precious cargo.
How's it going?
Inside, Social Security checks, prescriptions, medications, and messages from a generation that still handwrites notes.
I took a letter from a woman, and then she's like, wait, can I have that back? I need to write a letter. I need to write more.
She wrote that she was okay, but their house was gone.
I don't know what to do with that information. That's sad, but communication is important, whether it's something you want to have to tell somebody or not.
And when the loss is overwhelming, his purpose is simple: deliver the mail,
Thank you.
finish the route. Gotti Schwartz, NBC News, Santa Rosa, California.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here, and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.